YouTube, it's your boy Cuts by Ride. We back with another one. This one right here, we just gonna be balling them out. I sped it up so we can get straight to the beard because it's mostly a beard tutorial. And as you can see, I'm just using my shavers to get the hair nice and smooth. That way everything is balanced and we don't have any, spots of remaining hair. I will come back with the hot towel service, the hot towel shave, and get it for the closest finish with the straight razor, but I will not include that in the video. So here's the beard start right here. As you can see, I just apply some holding spray, and then I'm gonna go straight in on my trimmers, just hitting that back line. Pay attention to how I'm trying to keep it full, not pushing it in, and just being patient. And then I'll come back on when I see something I need to comment on for you guys. Alright, so here I'm just applying my shaving gel. Then I'm gonna brush it in just a little bit, that way it saturates the skin and it won't tug when I put the razor to it. So right here, as you can see, I'm just starting out from the highest point, and just gathering all that hair and scraping it into a straight line. Gentle though. You don't want to apply too much pressure. You want to let the razor work for you. If you get some pretty good blades, you can get the Dorco, the Platinums. Those are the ones that I use, and they don't irritate the skin. You can go over it quite a few times and still get great results from it. Like I said though, you don't want to keep going over and over because you'll give the client razor burn, and that's not good. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just keeping that line natural. I'm not pushing it down too far, but I am making sure it's defined and that it's contoured to my client's face. I get a lot of questions when I do these beard tutorials, so I just want to make sure that it's broken down as best as possible for you to achieve it in your best efforts. And as you can see, I'm just defining that back line, and I'm just hitting the razor on that line that I've already tapped out with my Andes T outliners, and now I'm just going back over my work. Practice makes perfect, so I'm gonna get that line as straight as possible. Alright, and here next, I'll start fading the top of the beard, but right now I'm just knocking down his eyebrows, making sure they're at the same length. You don't want those little curly hairs. Every hair matters, so you want everything as neatly groomed as possible. Alright, so like I stated, I'm just going back over my work. Consistency is key, so you just keep everything consistent. What you do to one side, do to the other, and you can never go wrong with that. So whatever steps you take in whatever specific order, you do that same thing for both sides in hopes to achieve the same look. Everyone's body features aren't proportional, but you can always get it the best of your ability. There's no such thing as having it perfect. And watch how I just stay disciplined while I go back over these lines, not pushing it down, but redefining it. And as you can see, I got that beard in there. It's crispy. Gotta look like a new man. And yeah, so now I'm gonna just shape up the mustache. Yeah. Alright, so this just sped up. I'm just hitting everything with my straight razor. And then as you saw, lastly, I came back with my shears, just a freehand. Make sure there aren't any hairs, over dramatic and sticking out. So as I stated, what you do to one side, you do to the other. So just follow along my steps, and this side is going to be sped up for more of a results, so that way you can see the transformation. And then if you guys need it to be slowed back down, you can always replay this video and go back. Very useful content. And as you can see, I'm just doing a little lever play. I really could have stopped blending the beard there, but I came back with my Andes Masters and I just took over. I took that beard to a whole nother level. And I started with it open. I'm slowly working my way closed. And look at that. No enhancements. I haven't used any enhancements on this beard at all. I used my Barber Magic pencil, razor, and clipper work. Yeah, so it ain't gonna get no better than that. So I'm just freehand right there. Like I said, every hair matters, so just want to detail. That's what sets every barber apart from each other, the detailing. So then now I'm gonna just fade this side in. You guys can watch it come along. Yeah. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm putting the finishing touches on this beard, man, and I just really got it locked in. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, man, because I enjoy sharing it with you. This is a dope transformation. Even the client was surprised of the finished product, and yeah, this is just overall overly satisfied client, as well as me being able to give this service to him. And just the proportion, and just me able to take it to a whole nother level for him. So yeah, guys, this pretty much wraps up this tutorial. I will be back with another video on next Tuesday, so make sure you guys turn on that notification bell, because every Tuesday there will be at least one video dropped every single week, and expect that to be on Tuesdays. And then I'm gonna try and have some reviews for you guys on Friday. But until then, smash the like button, leave some feedback in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Cuz by Ride will be back.